In this video, I am going to show you how to recover Word app account. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now to recover a Word app account, you will need to use a backup of your account or your phone number and password if you have them. So select existing account, open the Word app on your new device and choose the existing account option. Do not select new account as this will prevent you from restoring your old account. Choose a backup method, as you can see, Google Drive, iPhone account, Android account, then restore from backup. If you have backup, it should appear for you to select and restore. And account successfully restored. If the backup is found and the password is correct, your account should be restored.